Hello children, look who's there to meet you. Tiger, lion, rabbit, sheep, giraffe. Who are these? Yes, these are animals. In grade 1, you have learned different types of animals according to their habitats like domestic animals, wild animals, water animals. In grade 2, you are going to learn these animals in more detail. You must have visited zoo or farm. There you must have observed every animal is fed differently. That is, every animal needs different food. So today we are going to learn these animals according to their food habits. Animals are classified according to their food habits into three criteria: herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. So come on, let us learn more about these classes. Herbivores, animals that eat only plants, leaves and grass are called herbivores. Sheep, cow, giraffe, zebra, horse, rabbit are examples of herbivorous animals. Carnivores, animals that kill small animals and eat their meat are called carnivores. Lion, tiger, leopard and wolf are some examples of carnivorous animals. Omnivores, animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Pig, monkey, cat, bear are some examples of omnivorous animals. Children, you must have heard a slogan, "Save the tigers, save a life." Sometimes humans kill some animals for their benefit, sometimes just for fun. Because of this, these some animals are very less in number. Such animals are called endangered animals. Tiger, leopard, elephants are some examples of endangered animals. Some of the animals are no more seen on the earth. That is, they are extinct. Dinosaur, dodo are some examples of extinct animals. As we all know, animals are useful to us. They provide us with egg, milk, meat, silk, wool and many more. We have learned different types of animals according to their food habits. Let us recall them with the help of PPT. Animals are classified into three groups: herbivore, carnivore and omnivore. Herbivore. Herbivores eat only plants, leaves and grass. Example: rabbit, zebra, giraffe. Carnivore. Carnivore kill other animals and eat their meat. Examples: leopard, wolf, cheetah, tiger and lion. Omnivore. Omnivores eat both plants and animals. Example: bear, rat and crow. Let us see some herbivorous animals. Rabbit, sheep, deer, zebra, camel, elephant and giraffe are some examples of herbivorous animals. Some carnivorous animals: tiger, leopard, fox, wolf, lion, cheetah, crocodile are some carnivorous animals. Some omnivorous animals: crow, hen, duck, rat, bear, dog and cat are some omnivorous animals. Animals that exist in very small number and in danger of becoming extinct are called endangered animals. Few examples of endangered animals are tiger, elephant and leopard. If a particular type of plant or animal does not exist anymore, what is it called? Extinct. They are no more on the earth. Animals that extinct are dodo, the great auk, quagga, Irish deer, and dinosaur. Animal helps us in many ways. Let us see animals that give milk. Goat, buffalo, and cow provide us with milk. Animals that gives us egg, duck, and hen provide us with egg. Some meat giving animals. We get meat from goat, pig, fish, duck, and hen. We also get wool from animals. We get wool from goat, sheep, and camel. We also get silk from animal. Do you know how do you get silk? We get silk from silkworm. Animals that give leather. We make leather from skin of different animals. Buffaloes, camel, snakes, crocodile, and pig gives us leather. Animals provide us so many things, so we should take care of animals. We should be kind and loving to animals. We should provide them with fresh food and water. We should not tease them. If they are hurt, we should call the vet. So dear students, what we have learned today is we should take care of animals. We should not tease them. We should not throw stones over them. We should be kind and loving to them. We should provide them with clean and hygienic food and water. Thank you.